Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy, sweet, spicy, eggy cheese breakfast bagel right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now, I tried this a few different times, and this is the best way I found and the tastiest way I found. But first thing you gotta do is heat up your pan. Now the size of your pan is kind of important for this recipe. There we go, got it on about medium. You want a pan about the size of a bagel. Okay? Now I'm not using nothing special. Great Value brand. Another thing you're gonna have to do is I don't know if they have another brand that makes these, but Banquet Brown and Serve originally fully cooked sausage patties. Now these are the small ones. Okay, just like that. Now remember, they're already pre-cooked. Basically all you're doing is thawing them out. 40 patties. It doesn't say that they're the small ones or big ones, but look for the bag that has 40 patties. Now what we're doing, we're gonna let this thaw out a little bit. Now I didn't treat the pan with any olive oil and a cooking spray, nothing. I'm just gonna use what comes from the sausage. Another thing you're going to need to make this is a small spatula that actually fits the pan. Now I got this pan with the whole kit. I'm sure you can find a small one at Walmart, maybe even a cast iron one. Unfortunately, cast iron scratches up a glass stovetop, and I really hate glass stovetops, to be honest with you. Now you kind of want to check them. That one's kind of getting brown. Starting to get a little grease in the pan. Next thing we're going to do is take an egg. Crack it right on top. That's why you kind of want the small sausage patties, because you won't be able to blend it in the big sausage patty. Kind of spread it around. We're just going to take a little bit of maple syrup. Now I tried putting the maple syrup on the bagel and toasting it, and to be honest, it just kind of, it tasted good, but it was just kind of a mess. Mix that maple syrup in there a little bit, or pancake syrup, or whatever you want to call it. Just trying to even out the egg a little bit. Go ahead, let that cook, let it thicken up a bit. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to thicken up a bit. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and flip it over. And I gotta tell you, right now it smells really good. It smells like Sunday morning breakfast. The hint of maple syrup. Go ahead, put the cheese on. Now you can see the cheese is starting to blister up a little bit. It's starting to melt. Let's go ahead, turn the heat off. There you go. I know the bagel tour, sorry. I don't know, it just don't seem like they cut it the whole way. But trust me, it's quick, it's easy, it's tasty. If you try it, let me know what you think of it. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.